In this video, we're going to look at another example of Venn diagrams. And so let's just dive straight in. A survey was conducted among 130 grade 11 learners. So I like to put the total at the top here to establish which snack they prefer to eat while they watch television. The results are summarized below. So you can see these ones here on the outs in the big section represent only. So 41 people only like chips. Whereas 6 people, this would represent nuts and dried fruit, but not chips. And so if 29 learners prefer at least 2 types of snacks, calculate the value of X and Y. And so at least 2 types, that could include these people, they like 2 types, or it could include X in the middle because they like 3 types. So they do like at least 2. And so if I put that into an equation, it will be X plus 5 plus 10 plus 6 equals 29. So X would just equal 8. Now that I know that X is 8, I can add up all of the numbers in these circles and subtract it from 130, and that will give me Y. And so if I add up all the numbers together, I get 125 plus the Y should have equaled 130, and so Y would just be 5. Those are 5 people who don't like chips, nuts, or dried fruit. Second question, determine the probability that a learner who does not eat nuts will either have a snack or no snack while watching television. And so the probability that you'll have no nuts or no snack at all. So first I look at those that do not like nuts. So I'm excluding the whole nut Venn circle. And when I add up those numbers, and it's a probability question. When it's a probability question, you always put it over the total. I like to not leave my answer like that. You can literally put in your calculator and see if it can simplify. And that would be your final answer that you'd want to leave it as. If they said, what's the probability of not liking chips, you'd do the same. You'd block off chips and you'd add up all the numbers, including those that are outside the circles. Another way you could work that out is you could go 1 minus the probability of that thing happening as a way of working it out. Just be careful for questions that they say, what's the number of people who like dried fruit only? Then instead of doing it as a probability, you just look who likes dried fruit only, and you just write it as a number, 30. I hope that was helpful as an example of Venn diagrams. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.